Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be filming a natural makeup tutorial, which is kind of my everyday makeup, and I really hope that you enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, check out all my socials, and enjoy the video. The first thing that I'm going to do is grab my Real Techniques beauty sponge, which is a strange grubby orange colour at the minute, and I'm going to get my Garnier BB cream, which is behind me. And it's the Skin Active BB cream in light. And then just going to put that kind of all over my face. I always prefer to use BB cream rather than foundation because it's so much lighter. I realise I look ridiculous right now. It's so much lighter on your skin, and although it doesn't have the same coverage, I kind of think that's better because it's more natural and no one's perfect. Okay, so the next step is to then put concealer under my eyes. I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. I just kind of cover the purple circle under each eye, and then I will blend it in with my beauty sponge. Or I could just leave it like this. That's kind of good, don't you think? After doing that, I usually move on to kind of just a bit of blush, and I'm going to be using Dandelion blush, which is actually in the Cheek Parade. I just prefer using the singular one. I don't know why I have to, but I do. And then just kind of pop that on my cheeks. I'm going to be using the fourth one along, so I'm just going to kind of sweep that all over my eyelid. It's just like a nice dusky pink colour, which is very cute. Okay, so I'm now going to just put Nuna. I don't know why it's called Nuna, because that's a really strange name for an eyeshadow. And I'm just going to kind of put that in the crease to give it some definition. This is my Volume Million Lashes So Couture by L'Oreal Paris, and I love the L'Oreal mascaras. I wonder if someone could like read a book or quote something while they're putting mascara on, because it takes so much concentration. I'm going to use my Clinique Chubby Stick, which is in the shade Budding Blossom, and it's really good because it's moisturising as well and really cute. It's just a really soft, subtle pink shade, which I really love. This has kind of been a bit of a casual, natural makeup look / get ready with me, and I really hope that you guys have enjoyed it. And if you have, then please remember, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, all that type of thing, and I will see you next Friday for another video.